Hey everybody, it's Tia. I'm making a video today. Don't y'all know how y'all go to Wendy's and they have that little thing called the Wendy Frosty? Well, I found out how to make me one and it's not fattening. I got unsweetened cocoa. I got almond milk. I got vanilla, and I got a banana, a whole banana. And I'm gonna make that first. I'm gonna blend this up. I'm gonna blend it up. I guess. I don't know. Oh, this thing make a lot of noise. Oh, my sister gonna kill me, y'all. This her blender. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off because this her blender. If I break it, I don't want to see me break it on TV. On YouTube. Oh man, so no, I ain't gonna cut it off. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut it off. I'm making too much noise. Bye y'all. TT Squad, I'm back. I was in here blending. The blender was making too much noise. So I had to cut it off so I got the ice all together. Okay. Unsweetened cocoa. I think they said I need two unsweetened cocoa. I need 2 tablespoons. Bam. You gotta measure it up. Okay. That's my sister. You gotta make sure it's level 1. I got cocoa everywhere. Oh, it's nasty. Oh, that's what I get for tasty. Let me wash my hands because I did taste it. I just want to see what it tastes like. Guess what, y'all? It don't taste good. Okay. I gotta use the vanilla. Let me see. Okay. I gotta get a knife, put a hole in the vanilla because I can't get it all. I don't have no. Okay. It's a boom, boom, boom. Okay, vanilla. A half of vanilla. That don't look so. It says 1/3 cup of almond milk. Oh, I'm supposed to see. I got a sweet one. I got a mop when I finish this. It's so messy. See? Okay. And I'm supposed to blend it all up together. My sister gonna kill me if I break her blender. Y'all tell y'all I ain't know what I was doing. Never blend nothing before. I don't know what if I break her blender, she told me she gonna beat me up, y'all. So y'all need some help, cause I don't know what I'm doing. I never had to use a blender before, so free. Okay, just gotta blend it up some more. I don't know what I'm supposed to put it on, cause this don't make an old Tyson noise. I know that much. I'm gonna buy my own blender. Oh, yes, I did, because I'm in here messing up like crazy. Stuff everywhere. I don't like. I gotta wash my dishes down. Okay, we gonna see. Ooh, okay. It ain't spilled no more. Okay, we gonna go. Bam, that's what it looks like. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put it in the cup and let everybody see. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back in the house. So, I had to add more ice to it because it was a little loose. They said 15 cubes of ice, but I didn't know what 15 cubes of ice was. I bought bag ice. And it's still, put it in the cup. Trying to make a frosty. Because I got that little thing that you can get a frosty for a whole year for 50 cents, like a small one. And every time my nephew go over here, they were like, can you get a frosty? I can't get one. So I said I was going to make my own. It couldn't be hard. And now they got the internet in. You don't got to do but look it up. I'm going to get me a straw and I'm going to enjoy this. I don't think I'm going to drink the whole thing, though. Any other time I had straws everywhere. Today, I can't even find one. Okay, I probably throw them in the trash. I throw stuff away. Y'all gotta excuse me. We had a toy party, and I had I got a straw left from my toy party. I'm about to use it. A straw left from the toy party, and I'm gonna use it. Don't judge me. But this is what it look like. Ah! Don't judge my straw. That's all I gotta say. It is what it is. It's made. I'm about to see how it tastes. Okay. It don't taste bad. Don't taste bad at all. Damn. Excuse me, I didn't mean to cuss. But it tastes good. I can use a better straw. This straw needs on the tray, but I guess I just have to drink it. But it don't taste bad. Yeah. Wish for thinking. Maybe think I got a Frosty, but it's not a Frosty. It's something like a Frosty. I did my best. This is what it looked like. Thumbnail. What? I'm gonna just sit in the refrigerator for a little while. This is gonna be my drink later on tonight because, yeah, this is gonna be my drink later on because I'm eating some fruit for dinner. So, this will go good with it. All right, y'all know what? You know why there's something wrong with it? Guess what I forgot to do? Add the banana. Lord Jesus Christ, let me do it. I got to. Oh Lord. TT Squad, I'll be right back. Y'all forgot to add up banana. But it still tastes good to me, so it didn't really matter. But had to put it back in the blender. And I forgot to add the banana too, but it's so good. Because you gotta add a banana. I was so pressed to have this young. Oh yeah. Here you go again. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Let me leave my sister that breaking. She's gonna kill me. Mom, baby, go over house for a day of thunder. It still tastes good. Tastes good in the beginning. But I just forgot to add the banana. Y'all don't forget to add the banana to y'all. And you know me, I ain't about videotaping nothing over. It is what it is. I messed up. Oh well, so be it. That's life. So, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Hold up. I gotta enjoy this. This is really good. It's good, TT Squad. Yeah, this is good. Y'all, I'm lactose intolerant. I'm drinking milk. But this is good. All right, TT Squad. Peace out.